friends, welcome to our live channel DG Shiksha, where you get the information that inspires you. I, Ridhima Arora, the host of this channel, welcomes you all here. So we are waiting for everyone to connect to channel DG Shiksha. For today's session, I have very special guest with us, which is Amita ma'am, who is a storyteller. So I'm just waiting for her to connect with me. A very good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Ridhima. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
What about the video? Is the video
We are just waiting.
clear enough?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because I can't hear you and can't see your video properly, so I was a little concerned.
Am I audible now and visible to you?
Yeah, you're working.
Hello.
Yeah.
Once again, welcome to everyone on an exclusive channel DG Shiksha, where you will get the information that inspires you. So for today's session, I have a wonderful guest, Amita ma'am, who is consultant from 3SR Consultancy and a storyteller. So welcome ma'am on our channel DG Shiksha.
Good evening everyone. Namaskar. मेरा नाम अमिता खरे है और मैं एक स्टोरी टेलर हूँ और 3 कंसल्टेंसी के साथ पिछले कुछ सालों से जुड़ी हुई हूँ. And thank you for giving me this beautiful opportunity to connect with you all live on Instagram for the first time. Thank you, Ridhima.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us. So before starting this session, it's all about storytelling. So I want to know about your journey. What inspires you to be a storyteller?
Inspiration तो बाद में आती है. It's the journey which I have lived. I never planned to be a storyteller as such, because times were very different from now. So now, as all of you, I had a corporate career for some years, and but then after I became a mother, a happy mother, I decided to consciously to take a sabbatical from my corporate career and bring up my child. So, well, I've been a voracious reader since my childhood, and I wanted my son to read and listen to good stories. So I started reading and telling stories to him, and stories to him, my son to his friends. This is how we were in Mumbai then. Unprofessionally, I was just telling stories to children. But when we moved to Gurgaon 6 years back, I got this opportunity in a very well-known school called Heritage School. They were looking for storytellers for their, students. So I just jumped on the opportunity and I thought, why not? Let me try it out. What is this all about? And believe me, 6 years back, storytelling was not so much, people knew about storytelling or it as a career so much. So I took it as a learning. I joined the school as a freelancer, as a consultant for a year, but that was a huge learning. And during that time only, I started getting opportunities from other schools as well as daycares. But slowly, from telling stories to toddlers and children, I grew into telling stories to adults, then to corporates, teachers, training them in storytelling. Then I visited both your institutes. So teaching management students storytelling in their corporate career. I do standalone workshops also. I do festivals also for adults, children. So now I think I tell stories and teach storytelling for all age. I get you 0 to 100 years. So that's been a beautiful journey. And I'm a self-learned storyteller. There's nothing like I've done a training or something. So that's about it for my, about my experience. And inspiration. So how inspiration, आपका जो सवाल था, I think it started off with my son. But now I enjoy it, and I think inspiration is everywhere. It's nothing like a particular inspiration.
The journey is very inspiring as our DG Shiksha tagline, information that inspires. So as we have talked about storytelling, so basically what is storytelling?
अच्छा, मैं एक चीज बोलूं, मैं विश्वास करती हूँ we all are storytellers. हाँ, और ये दुनिया एटम से हम कहते हैं ना बनी है. So there's a beautiful quote which Muriel Kaiser, she's a writer, she's an author, where she talks that this universe is not made of atoms, it is made up of stories. तो हम सब बचपन से खुद भी कहानियां सुनाते हैं और कहानियां सुनते भी चले जाते हैं. और कहानियां सिर्फ राजा रानी की कहानियों की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं. कहानियां जो होती हैं, हम अपने मम्मी पापा को कुछ कहानियां सुनाते हैं, कुछ मम्मी पापा हमें बचपन से खाना खिलाने से लेके स्कूल भेजने तक कुछ कहानियां सुनाते हैं. जब हम बड़े होते हैं, स्कूल जाते हैं, टीचर्स हमको कुछ कहानियां सुना सुना के पढ़ाई कराती हैं. जब अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेलते हैं तो कुछ कहानियां बना बना के टीम्स में घुसना चाहते हैं या किसी तरीके से दोस्ती में तोड़ मरोड़, कुछ ना कुछ कहानियां हर जगह हम सुनाते हैं. जब हम बड़े हो जाते हैं तो कॉर्पोरेट करियर में वी ऑल हैव टू टेल स्टोरीज, वी हैव टू डू आवर प्रेजेंटेशंस थ्रू स्टोरीज. In a personal life also, I think every day from the time we wake up till we sleep, we are all telling stories. So what I believe is we live in stories all day long and we dream in stories all night long. है ना? जब सपने देखते हैं उसमें कोई ना कोई कहानी चलती रहती है ना हमारी. So I mean that's a very basic thing what I'm talking. But if you want to know more, there's a lot to talk about what is storytelling is all about.
Right. So with this answer, one another question stuck in my mind is like why storytelling is important for like corporate leaders, why storytelling is necessary at that field.
Just a second, I think I only can't see you properly. I'm not so used to this Instagram thing. Can you see me now?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, because I can't, I am not very used to this So I think storytelling, कई बार हम सोचते हैं ना, in a corporate world for a leaders we think we are not able to communicate very well with our team members. अगर आप लीडर होते हो, अगर आप एक सेल्समैन हो, मार्केटिंग हो, तो आपका कस्टमर्स के साथ ठीक से आप कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, उसको समझा नहीं पा रहे हो में, या से एक जूनियर एम्प्लॉय हो, then you're not able to communicate well with your leaders. How, you know, if you're not expressed your, so this is how where storytelling comes, where it's a very effective storytelling in communicating oneself. Secondly, you know, when you're in the corporate world, it's a lot about data and numbers and charts and graphs. It becomes very boring. बट अगर उसी चीज को आप कुछ कहानियों के जरिए बताओगे या सिखाओगे या दिखाओगे, आई थिंक इट बिकम्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इट जस्ट रिमेन्स इन योर मेमोरी, वो रह जाता है. लेकिन आप एक ड्राई नंबर्स की तरह आप सब भूल जाते हो. सो स्टोरी टेलिंग, आई थिंक इट हेल्प्स यू ओवर देयर टू मेक इट मोर ऑथेंटिक, मोर रिलेटेबल, मोर मेमोरेबल. दिस इज व्हाट इट हैपेंस. अगर आप सिर्फ एक ड्राई तरीके से बताते हो तो चीजें वहीं की वहीं रह जाती है. आई थिंक दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो एक तो स्टोरीज क्या होती है, क्विक होती है, तुरंत आप एक स्टोरी के जरिए, एग्जाम्पल के जरिए आप चीजें समझा सकते हो. देन दे आर वेरी पावरफुल. अगर कोई इम्पैक्टफुल आपने 1-2 मिनट की स्टोरी सुना दी ना, इट जस्ट स्टेज देयर. हम कभी भी आज तक कछुआ और खरगोश की कहानी नहीं भूलते हैं, कभी भी नहीं भूल पाते हैं, है ना. हमेशा दिमाग में रहती है कि what was it about and why was that story like this, कि slow and steady mix. So that points that, you know, that particular message we got from the hare and the tortoise story just remains in our mind. छोटा सा example है. Then stories are very refreshing, एक energizing, एक वो चीज देती है. नहीं तो again what I said ना, it's about numbers, and when you're talking about corporates and leadership, मैं स्टोरी टेलिंग इस एरिया की बात कर रही हूँ, मैं अभी बच्चों की या बड़ों की उस एरिया से नहीं बात कर रही हूँ. सेकेंडली, दे वेरी एंटरटेनिंग. आप एक कॉर्पोरेट मीटिंग में बैठे हो, टीम मेंबर हो, और आपके जो लीडर हैं कुछ ड्रैप्स आपको पॉइंट्स पावर पॉइंट से समझा रहे हैं, तो इट गेट्स वेरी बोरिंग फॉर देम, फॉर यू टू लिसन ऑल्सो. बट वही चीज, वही पॉइंट आपका लीडर अगर आपको कहानी के जरिए सुना रहा होगा, आई एम श्योर, एंड यू नो ही हैज गॉट लॉट ऑफ मूवमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट एंड एनर्जी इज देयर, I'm sure you'll be glued to it. We all love to hear stories. चाहे कितने भी हम बड़े हो जाएं, हम मूवीज भी देखते हैं, वो भी कहानियां ही है ना, तो देखने में मजा आता है, right? All the YouTube channels you watch, and there's a story happening, there's some excitement happening, it just, आप उसे ध्यान से. Then I think अगर as a corporate leader, अगर उन कहानियों को आप experiences के through सुनाते हो, they become more authentic and memorable and relatable. Say for example, you are selling a product to a customer and then you say this particular product, अब आप बस ये बोलोगे इससे ये हो जाता है, इससे सफाई हो जाती है बर्तनों की, ये आपके हाथ नहीं खराब करता है आपका. So these are very drab points you'll tell your customer. बट आप कुछ कहानी के जरिए ही अगर आप कस्टमर को सुनाओगे कि मेरे साथ ऐसे हुआ और मैं यहाँ गया और वो हुआ, you dramatize it, you put it into a story format, I'm sure the customer will listen to you better. See, all the advertising agencies, what you listen to, these are all stories. All the ads you listen, you look at it. All stories. I don't know if you all remember till now. हमारे बचपन की कुछ ads थे. माँ ने घर में जलेबी बनाई है. वो अभी तक हमको याद है कि वो ad था. घी का ad था और वो जलेबी की कहानी से हमको अभी तक वो याद रहता है. And that product stays in your mind because of that ad. So I think so there are a lot of things why it is important when we have the longer session when we can talk about it. But for now, I think it's very, very important for a leader to be a good storyteller, to put his point across, communicate well, coordination well, consolidate well. So you can go to the next question.
Very right. Yes, it is very rightly said and explained. So with my next question, as I am a student and I have many more student friends, so how we can pursue this as a career?
Okay, so only storytelling as a career is, if you're talking about, it has a lot of scope nowadays, lot of scope. Pehla to pure storyteller, we are just pursuing, you're just telling stories and how to use stories everywhere. Secondly, I think any corporate career you take, whether you are in marketing, whether you are in sales, whether you are in marketing, whether you are in sales, whether you're a person, whether you're a cook, any career, any student's career, storytelling is very important. Again, it's linked to the story, the point we were discussing earlier. But being a only storyteller nowadays in the corporate world, it is very, very important, wherein even the teachers, I also take workshop with teachers wherein I teach teachers how to use storytelling in their curriculum. So if you're a storyteller, you can teach stories, tell stories in schools. At the same time, in the curriculum development, you can use that. Secondly, in the corporate world, you can use it in, again, helping out the marketing professionals how to use storytelling and design their programs for it. Thirdly, even for entertainment. So जो कि मैं भी वो करती हूँ कि storytelling, say honestly for myself, I don't take storytelling as pure entertainment. I talk it as edutainment, where you are educating through stories, whether it's school, whether it's college, whether it's the corporate world. But there are a lot of storytellers who do storytelling only for the entertainment purpose. There is different formats of storytelling. There are performance storytellers, there are storytellers who tell stories through puppets, there are storytellers who do stories through musicals, there are storytellers who, Dastanwi is a format of storytelling. These are all about for the entertainment purpose. But yes, you all are mostly a management management students. I think storytelling is very important tool to be learned in all levels of your corporate career. Very, very important. When you're at the junior level, dealing with your peers and your customers and your leaders. When you're in the middle level, how to handle your team. And when you're a leader, again, you have a huge number of things to be taken care of. Right now as students, I think when I'm sure you guys go for your interviews and your GDs and all, वहां पर अगर आप एक मिनट का इंटरव्यूज में अगर आपके पास 1 मिनट का आप एक स्टोरी भी सुना दोगे, आप अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस भी सुना दोगे ना, which is very true and authentic, I think that will make a point over there. You'll have bonus points for sure. क्योंकि अगर आप अच्छे से अपनी कहानी सुनाते हो और it's authentic, definitely it proves a point over there.
Very useful information you have given to us. As we have talked about storytelling, storyteller, you are our storyteller here, so we cannot, it will be beautiful story.
I can't.
Story from your side.
Ridhima, I'm losing you. Ridhima?
Am I audible, ma'am?
I'm losing you.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm losing you.
Am I audible right? Am I audible right
no,
now?
Yes. I'm losing. Yes. aa gaya.
So as we have discussed about what is storytelling, your journey in storytelling, and how we can pursue this as a career. So it will be unfair for us and our audience that you are a storyteller and we can wind the session without your story.
नहीं तो क्योंकि you know मैं कुछ सच्ची मतलब true stories या true we're talking about primarily about storytelling for leaders, right? For the corporate world and the management students. So एक छोटा सा point कि आप कहानी जब सुनाते हैं, what makes your story very authentic? जो मैं बात कर रही थी कि आप इंटरव्यू में जाएंगे, जीडीज में जाएंगे, जॉब्स देने जाएंगे, तो कहानी आपकी कितनी ऑथेंटिक है, कितनी ट्रू है, दैट रियली गिव्स यू वेटेज एंड पॉइंट्स. और इस चीज को मैं कुछ रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल से, कुछ कहानियों से, छोटे छोटे 2-3 मैं आपको कहानियां सुनाती हूँ, which you can relate to and which you can understand why it is important for your story to be authentic and true when you talk about personal experiences. So the biggest contributor when you're a leader is what you preach is what you practice. कि जो आप कुछ चाहते हो अपनी टीम से करवाना, आप खुद प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हो. तो मैं 2-3 एग्जांपल्स बताती हूँ. We know Narayan Murthy, the pioneers in the IT industry, the founder of the Infosys. So he was a very cost conscious guy, and he wanted to send this message across his company that let's not spend much money. But सिर्फ बोलने से तो नहीं चलता ना. So you know what he did? He himself started flying economy class. That my actions will speak more. If I myself will travel economy class, the people down me, they will understand that. This is a small little example of a leader. That how this is a leadership skill. This is from an example. Learn about it. Then, secondly, Gandhiji. So he understood very well that actions travel faster than words. So his example was the kind of clothes he used to wear, and his adoption of the charkha and the Dandi march. He didn't have to talk much. His actions just played everything. An example of a leadership skill through stories we can teach. You can learn as a management student. Then again, Ratan Tata, who's the head of the Tata Group, he was also once वो भी एक बार ना road पे travel कर रहे थे with his colleagues, and somewhere in the interiors, most of the Tata Group companies are in the small townships in Bihar and Jharkhand and all. So his car broke down and there was a puncture in the car. कार का puncture हो गया Ratan Tata की कार का. So while उनके जो colleagues जो एक दो और थे, वो तो अपना गाड़ी से बाहर निकले, for a smoke, and they just went out. And while Ratan Tata, he realized, उन्होंने देखा ये तो कहीं दिख ही नहीं रहा, ये कहाँ चले गए. Colleagues ने देखा, अरे हम तो बाहर निकल गए थोड़ी हवा खाने के लिए, Ratan Tata गायब, कहाँ है? What did they see? He saw him with the driver kneeling down with his ऊपर करके, और driver के साथ he was helping him fixing the tire. So think of it, that level of a man, what he taught with his little action. These are the true leaders we are talking about. So these are very small. There's another little story I know about Starbucks. What happened was the Starbucks had to shut 8,000 outlets. There was a time. So you know what? Because they had a training session, so they had to kind of shut it down for a day. And they said, what they say कि ट्रेनिंग करना है और 8,000 स्टाफ को अभी नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो you know what they did? They put a nice poster on every Starbucks outlet outside that we'll see you tomorrow. It's very important for us, our employees, to train them. So we are shut down. तो अगर 8,000 आउटलेट एक दिन बंद होगा स्टारबक्स का, you know the kind of loss they'll have. But they gave importance to their employees training. So for one day they just shut it down. So these are small little examples how big the companies, they take छोटे steps होते हैं, but how they show the, you know, the vastness, the greatness of these people and these companies, how they function. So ऐसे कहानियां मैं सुनाती तो काफी हो जाती, you know, being management students, you all being in the corporate world, these lessons can be learned from these small little incidents and real stories.
Yes, ma'am, they were really a very inspiring stories. And as we are running short of time, I don't want. Yes, I don't want to end this to the shortage of time, but I would like to thank you very much for being with us on our channel DG Shiksha, and I hope we will catch you soon again here with more interesting sessions.
Yeah, and I hope
thank you so much.
Upcoming Shailesh ji and me, we are going to do a session soon. I think which will be more elaborate, which will be talking about more about storytelling and how storytelling is useful for management institutes. I'm sure all of you will come and attend.
All of you will.
Where we can interact more also. Today we couldn't interact much with whoever is attending.
Yes. So I request everyone to join that session so that you get more knowledge about it. Till then, I want to thank ma'am. So thank you so much for being with us. I am very fortunate that you are on our channel. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you so much, and everybody enjoy your evening sitting at home and have your dinner and have a good night's sleep. Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you, everyone. Those who are watching with me, stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much.